Tokai's vision is to be able to offer the same as others, and much more, which makes us unique. Our philosophy is uniqueness in lens designs, for any user different design, uniqueness in lens materials, for every wearer's requirement a different type of lens, and uniqueness in coating development, for any activity a specific coating. Hello everyone, welcome to Tokai TV. Why do we put the subject of office lenses in Tokai TV? This family of lenses and the not to be neglected market share are often forgotten to be recommended. Most of the time because those type of products are subject to confusion and we hesitate to recommend it. The difficulty is to define the adequate product and design upon the desired depth of vision which the wearer wants. Allow me to tell an anecdote which unfortunately sometimes occurs. An ECP has provided office use lenses to a patient and the desired depth of vision is reached with the given design. A few years later, the same wearer returns with a new prescription to an ECP requesting new office lenses. The common mistake, because he was happy with the design in the first pair, is to give him the same design again. Unfortunately, the wearer's addition has increased, therefore the depth of vision isn't reached anymore. The purpose of an office lens or digressive lens is dual. One, have a perfect visual acuity from the reading distance until a particular desired distance, and to increase the width of the vision field. To reach the desired depth of vision can be problematic, as the depth of vision depends on the correlation between the additional power of the wearer and the given digressive power. Let's have a look. For instance, someone with an addition of 2, given a digressive power of 1 diopter, will have perfect sight from the standard reading distance until 100 centimeters. If someone has an additional power of 175 diopter, with a digressive power of 150 diopter, will have a perfect sight from the reading distance until 400 centimeters. So I'm sure you notice the limitations. What about someone with an addition of 250 wishing to have perfect sight until 200 centimeters? Of course, Tokai could design digressive lenses with the same philosophy as progressive lenses, having incremental digressive powers per 0.25, ranging from 0.50 to 250. This would technically solve the first purpose of coping with the desired depth of vision, but will definitely jeopardize the width of the vision field, which is not the aim. Because we have a situation here, I would like to summarize symbolically the purpose of each family of lenses. The purpose of progressive lens designs is to focus on far and near vision, with an occasional use in the intermediate vision. We all would love, of course, to have a progressive all-in-one. The purpose of office use lenses is to focus on near vision distance until the intermediate distance, but with some limitations due to the design type combined with the additional power, which we explained before. Far vision isn't considered at all in this lens design. To fulfill Tokai's uniqueness concept, we are definitely missing something. We need a family of lenses focusing on the intermediate vision, considering of course the requirement of the wearer, having excellent near vision properties with available far vision. We will be filling up the gap with these indoor progressive design lenses. Indoor lens designs are genuine progressive lens designs with the possibility to select the corridor length between 23 and 21 mm to fit into stylish frames. The geometry consists of having a fixed corridor length of 10 mm from the far vision area to the intermediate area, which is at the same time the fitting cross, and 13 or 11 mm from the intermediate zone until the top part of the reading area. For optimal comfort in the reading, one should add 6 mm to the corridor length. Such longer corridor lengths provide large vision fields in all areas of the lenses. On top of that, one has the possibility to select the design type, of course, respectively the product possibilities between extra, long and wide. This is to fit the requested depth of vision. The possibilities also are to design the lens with 15, 25 or 37% of the additional power at the fitting cross, putting also the emphasis on the need of the width or the depth of the vision field. Choosing the design type will enable the ECP to fit at the required intermediate distance considering the wearer's additional power. For instance, when a wearer has an addition of 2 diopters, by choosing the adequate design type, the lens will be fit in the intermediate zone, focusing from 333 centimeters or 200 until 133 centimeters. And don't forget, those designs are most certainly available with various coatings types. For instance, blue coatings, but also in various materials such as Lutina to protect you from high energetic violet light. Let us see what Lutina does again in this little movie. We can finally provide a design type for each use of the wearer, besides a progressive lens design, a reading assistant lens, also a family of office use lenses with the particularity to be able to fit your customer's lenses at the requested intermediate distance. This is definitely part of our uniqueness concept. Thank you for watching and see you at another session of Tokai TV.